Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Nats, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I am going to play MM2, but I'm gonna be speaking in my own language, which is Tagalog language. Yes, because a lot of you are keep saying that, Kuya, bakit lagi kang nag-i-English? Mag-Tagalog ka naman, ganto ganyan. Well, it's comfortable for me to speak in English even if I am not really fluent in English, because a lot of my subscribers here on my YouTube channel are from a different countries. But for today's video, I am gonna be speaking in Tagalog kasi wala lang. Trip ko lang. Well, wag na natin patagalin tong intro na to, masyado na mahaba. Samahan nyo ako maglaro in 3, 2, 1, let's go! Jeez. My guard. Still innocent, bro. Like, ako na ata yung pinakamalas na player sa MM2. Like, every time na naglalaro ako ng MM2, it always end up like, you know, I'm innocent.
A few moments later.
Oh, he reset. Okay. Sabi yarn. Oh, one shot, one kill. Let's go. Pero bakit siya nag-reset? Ano ba yan? Sayang. Pero okay lang yan. Nanalo tayo. And that's what matters. Huy! English yun. Hindi nyo kaya yun. Ay, charot lang. Oops. Oh. She is the murd. She is. Where's the gun? Oh. Where's the gun? Oh my gosh. Oh, shit. Nandiyan na siya. Where's the gun? Where's the gun? Woo! Here. Where's the... Nasaan siya? Nasaan siya? Oh, jeez. Papunta siya dito. Ayun. Punta nga siya dito. Okay. Oh, nice! Let's go! Ang galing ko talaga. Ang galing ko mang one shot and kill. One shot, one kill. Let's go! K2. Oh! This is not a good map for me to be a murd. Oh, I hate this map, pero that's fine. That's fine. I guess. Oops. Come Oh my gosh. Oops. Okay. Let's go. Oops. Parang mayroong person dito. Oh! What the fudge? What happened? Ano yan? Oh my gosh. What was that? Ah, nandito kayo ha. Oh, look at that. She's so cute. Ayaw mo eh. Ayaw mo kunin yung gun. Let's go. Ayaw niya kunin yung gun. Papakil na nga ako sa kanya eh. Okay, let's go. Mansion 2. Mansion 2. Yes. Okay. Tago tayo dito. Parang hindi nila tayo makita kasi nangihingi sila sa akin ng godly. Oh. Pagka nakakakita ko ng gantong face sa Roblox, like, hindi ko may iwasang ngumiti at tumawa kasi. Like, I find them cute. Like, cute talaga. And at the same time, funny. Like, funny talaga. Kasi, ewan ko, ganun yung, ano ko talaga sa kanila, yung tingin ko sa kanila. Yung ganun. May ganung face. Cute, pero funny. Ganun. Ganun talaga. Kaya, napapangiti ako and ano ako minsan. Like, sobrang funny talaga. Ganun. Pero nasan yung gun? Oh, she's camping the gun. She's camping the gun.
A few moments later.
Let's go.
You silly camper! Ganon yung sinasabi. Yung kanina. Yung nagsasabi na akala daw niya ako yung nagbibit ng camper. Pero, no! Hindi ako yon. Iba yon. Let's go! Pero, yeah, nabit natin yung camper na yon. Nice one. PH care? Ay, char. PH care. Let's go. He is this kalbo. Oh my gosh. Give me the gun.
Let's go.
Let's go. Oh! Muntik na yon.
No.
Oh shit. Oh! Let's go! My favorite map. So kayo guys, anong favorite map nyo? Bigay kayo ng dalawang favorite map nyo. Tapos, comment nyo siya sa comment section. Ako kasi ang favorite map ko is Mill Base and then Mansion 2. Yeah. Yun yung top 2 na favorite map ko sa MM2. So kayo, if may favorite map kayo sa MM2, comment down below sa comment section kung ano yung favorites nyo. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Bird tayo. Oh, hitbox. Oh, hehehe. Oop. Oh my gosh. Where's the other one? Oh! Nandito ka! Let's go! No, pero familiar siya. Oop! Oh my gosh! Like, murd ako last round din, Sheriff. Napakaswerte ko sa server na to. Like, legit. Legit na swerte. Oops. Oh! Siya yung murd! Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. It's him. It's him. Okay. Oops. Dito tayo. Probably pupunta sa. Oops. Sige. Dito tayo. Oops. Tabi kayo dyan.
Nice.
Oh! What? Bakit nandun yung ano? Yung aim? Tabi! Tabi yan! Oh my gosh! Ang galing ko talaga, guys! Oh my gosh! Yar! Let's go! I'm not. Siya ba? Oh! Siya ba? I don't know. I'm not really sure. Siya ba? Oh, siya nga! Siya nga! Okay. Oops! Oops! Okay. Punta tayo dito. Kasi nagtatago siya eh. So, puntahan natin. Ikutan natin, di ba? Hindi ka makaka-throw! Oh my gosh! Gustong-gusto ko nagiging Murd and Sheriff dyan. So, yeah. Ganun. So, glitch tayo dito. And, nakakapag-glitch kasi ako dito eh. Like, okay, wait. Hindi siya effect. Tapos bigla ako namatay. Oop! Oh! Oh my gosh! What did I... Oh my god, ano to? Ano yung nasaksihan ko? Actually, muntik na ako dun mamatay. What the hell? Oh my gosh. Let's go. Okay, okay. Good. Nice one. Yes. Let's go. Right, so, punta tayo dito. Oop. Ay, let's go. Baka may people pa dito. People! Oops. There you are. Let's go. Come here. Lah. Where's the last one? Nasa yung last one? Dito ba siya? Is she here? Oh, there you are. Let's go. Alright, so that's all for today, guys, and thank you so much for watching. And if you want to be featured on my next video, just comment down below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga next videos ko. Let's go. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all. Mwah.